I got the scissors. I need to cut this box. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. A weird way to start off the video, and I'm not even in the middle of the video. I do have a Cherryz haul. How exciting is that? They did ask to collaborate with me and I said yes, because I've actually shopped from Cherry a good couple of times. I've just never hauled them on my channel. To be honest, I probably will start doing these videos because I do love Cherryz. I buy from them all the time, especially to get affordable just household supplies. So that means like cleaning products or super cheap food. What I really love about Cherryz is they stock like a whole range of different kinds of foods that you probably forgot existed. There's some on there that I used to eat when I was just a child, and it just brings back so many memories. It's really nostalgic. You can buy stuff for your pets, cleaning, for your kids. You know, they do a nice stationery set. I'm just like waggling some scissors around. They do such a wide variety. As you can see, there is a massive box here. Oh my god, it's really heavy. Also, excuse the state of what I look like. It's like 30 degrees outside. I've literally just put concealer on, so I probably look a bit washed out, but we move, you know, just take no notice. So yeah, I'm just gonna open this box and I am gonna show you exactly what it looks like packaged, because I'm obsessed. Like I said, I've ordered from them before, so I already know exactly how they package. I just thought I'd let you know I do have a discount code. I think it's Shannon Pace 20 that gives you 20% off. I will pop that up on the screen if you are interested. You will be absolutely surprised with the stuff that they stock. Like, I love this shop. I rave about this all the time. I tell my friends, I tell my families, like, buy on Cherryz. And if this video isn't proof enough, buy from Cherryz. They have literally everything. Oh my god, wish me luck, because I'm awful. Oh, that was easy. I was gonna say I'm awful at these. Maybe I jinxed it. Maybe I spoke too much. The delivery driver was like, this is really heavy. I struggled bringing this in. I'm not gonna lie to you. Oh, muscles. Ah! Right, this box is massive. Like, they've really packed it out. Oh, they didn't do it this time. I've bought from there before and they like packed it out with this really nice, that aesthetic pink tissue paper, and it says Cherryz on. I was hoping to get it on the camera, but they didn't do it this time. But it's fine. Like, I'm not fussed, but I do love that little bit of detail. So I haven't got it, but I'm pretty sure that you guys will have it. Let's just go off and just start from the top. I did get a couple of food as well because I just couldn't help myself, you know, and I have a child, so there are a few things in here that would definitely benefit her. So I did get fruit, I can't even say the word. I've got fruit winders doubles, so it's just these ones here, and I just got a pack of 2. Lila loves these sorts of sweets, don't you? Yeah. They're the sweets. They're your sweets. Yeah, Lila absolutely loves these, so I couldn't help but just pick these up. So yeah, definitely a bargain. I think they were like £1. I'll definitely pop up all the prices up on the screen just so that you know. I also actually got myself a lightning to USB cable, because if you're like me, and also if you have a child that likes to touch everything, these break like no tomorrow. So I thought I'd get these. These are 1 meter and are for the iPhone 5 onwards. So yeah, this is definitely going to fit in mine. So definitely recommend if you're like me and break your iPhone chargers all the time, you know. You can't buy the Lila sweets. Yeah, I got Lila sweets, yes. She's getting way too excited. So the next item is just some kitchen foil, you know, your basics. You cannot go wrong with some foil. I like to just wrap up my salmon in foil, and chicken as well, chicken in the oven to like keep the moisture. Love it. So yeah, highly recommend this. 12 meters, you know, really affordable as well, because kitchen foil can be expensive, can be actually expensive, so I'm quite happy I did pick that up. Next one I got was some toilet tissue wipes. These are the Cushies. I got these. I normally actually get these from like Aldi and stuff. I just think these are really handy, to be honest, you know. You can use them for like wipes, like how wipes are, or use them from the toilet. I mean, what else would you use these for? Next item, yeah, Monster Munch 6 roast beef. I got this for Lila. She absolutely loves these. She's obsessed with these. She loves, I think she likes all of the Monster Munch. She loves pickled onion as well, but she also loves roast beef. Because I can't get my words out. She also loves roast beef. Flaming hot, I'm not actually too sure if she's ever tried those. Maybe, I don't know. We'll have to see. But yeah, I got these for her. Pack of 6. Again, very affordable. Like, I'm obsessed. I've got your Crispies. Ooh, they're monster crisps. Monster crisps, yeah. I'll pop them over there if you want some, darling. I can't actually remember half the stuff I got, but I'm telling you, this is absolutely packed out. So I got the Dr. Beckman Glow White Glow White, I think that's what it's called. I got 2 packs. You don't get a lot in there, you only get 3 each, but it's just basically to make well, maintain the whiteness of like your tops and stuff. I want to give this a go because I do have a white top, and I'm not even joking to you, I washed it and it come out grey looking, so I'm really bummed. So I did actually get these because I want to just test them and see how they are. Next ones I got are these Max 5 Flush Toilet Rim Block Cleaner. I actually did get some of these before in the past from Cherryz, not this one, they were actually a lot smaller. I think they were from Domestos, I think that's how you call that brand, you know, the bleach brand. I actually got those from here before. Oh, and they smell really nice. They are, oh, it's lavender. That's the scent, lavender. You just get a pack of 2. I think this was like either like £1 or £1.50, I'm not too sure, but I love these, absolute bargain, and you can't really go wrong with those. Who wants to smell a toilet? Because I know I certainly don't. So I got this for Lila as well. So I'm at chocolate, you know the quick milk, well that's what they're called, quick milk magic sipper, where you just use it as a straw and you put it in milk and it tastes like chocolate milkshake. They do have other flavours, they do have strawberry, so I did pick those up because I know Lila would absolutely love these. She's never tried these before, but I thought, why not let her try those. I'm trying to pop them up there and they keep falling. Also, oh, I didn't actually realise how big these were gonna be. Oh, I'm actually really happy. So I got some Epsom salts. I have been doing a lot of research in just a lot of like natural things, what is a lot better for you, you know, for baths and detoxing and everything. Like, I'm really on that wave of really looking after yourself, going more natural with products like skincare and makeup and hair care and body care, all that stuff. I have been looking for a really good quality Epsom salts. I've gone on Amazon, I've gone on to obviously private owned businesses as well, and Epsom salts can be quite expensive. This was like £1.20 I think, so I got it in the original scent here. If you don't know what Epsom salts is, it's just basically just to help you detox your body. You know, if you have achy muscles, etc., that's really good for like after workouts and stuff. But it's just more of just like pulling out the toxins from your body. The ingredients are literally just magnesium sulfate, so 100% natural. There is no horrible things in this, which is, I'm absolutely obsessed. And then I actually got the lavender one as well, so it's just with added fragrance in it. Natural magnesium sulfate, yeah, it's just got lavender in it just to help with, you know, with this being lavender, it's going to help you sleep and keep you more relaxed. Okay, next few items. So I got a carpet deodorizer because our carpet, with a little child dropping juice and, you know, and doing all that stuff, our carpet sometimes smells. I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna keep it real on my channel. So this will help, especially she drops food all the time. I'm not the cleanest eater, I drop food all the time, so this would definitely help. And next few things, the pink stuff. I am obsessed with the pink stuff. I actually do have a few things in here. My last Cherryz hauls literally consisted of so many pink stuff. I just love it. I think they're amazing at cleaning things, getting rid of stains. Really good with using them on Converse as well, if your Converses are dirty. This time I did get the Miracle Laundry Oxy Powder Stain Remover. This is new. I did buy quite a lot of new things from the pink stuff on Cherryz, just purely because I wanted to try them, and I love all their other things as well. And I got a few top-ups. So yeah, I'm obsessed. So this is tough on stains, gentle on fabrics, and for white. So it's kind of like your oh, what are they called? You know when they get vanish, they're kind of like your vanish. So yeah, if this works anyway as like all the other stuff that I've bought from pink stuff, this is going to be amazing. I'm hoping it turns my stuff white as well, okay, and it gets rid of all the horrible stains on Lila's clothes, on my clothes where I've missed my mouth when eating dinner, keeping it real. So yeah, I'm hoping this does the job. So yeah, speaking about the pink stuff, like I said, I do have a few more things in here. So I do have the Miracle Cream Cleaner. I've already owned this. This is amazing. I just use this in the kitchen to clean our electric cooker and stuff. Amazing stuff, really good. Also in the bath, also in the toilet, really good. Love this. And I just love the pink stuff scent. I don't know, there's something about the smell of the pink stuff that I really like. It's natural cleaning as well. I didn't actually realise that. It is 100% natural, so it's just filled with natural ingredients. And then I have their toilet cleaner, which I'm absolutely obsessed with. You don't get a lot in here, unfortunately. They go quite quickly. It might be my fault, I douse my toilet all the time. So I actually got 2. Yeah, I did, I got 2. The Miracle Toilet Cleaner, yeah, I got 2. It kills 99.9% of bacteria, which I love. So yeah, absolutely love these. If you haven't tried the pink stuff, I do recommend it. I actually found out about the pink stuff from TikTok, you know, the page, and then I delved in and I realized they had all these things, and then I found Cherryz, and then found Cherryz had all of this, and I fangirled hardcore because their stuff is mint. Last few Cherryz stuff is I got the Miracle multi-purpose cleaner. I think I got, no, yeah, so the Miracle multi-purpose cleaner and the Miracle bathroom foam cleaner. This is new. I don't actually own this one. I've used like their antibacterial one and stuff, but I haven't used that. Yeah, so that's it for all the pink stuff. And then the last few things I got was just a laundry cleanser. So it just cleanses and protects your clothes and your washing machine, I think that's what it is. When you're washing at low temperatures, invisible bacteria and germs can still survive. Okay, there we go. So yeah, so I got this. Lovely job. And also from the same brand, Astonish, I got a floor cleaner. You can never go wrong. I always buy these. They're actually available a lot of the time in like Poundland and stuff. Cherryz does things a lot more affordable than like your high street brands as well. And then I got a disinfectant. This is called Fabulosa. So it's kind of similar to Zoflora. I just went for this. We do have some Zofloras, which I don't mind, but I went for this. Let me just smell it because I got it in the scent Wild Rhubarb. I didn't actually really look at the scent online, to be fair. That smells gorgeous. That's gonna be really nice for the bedroom, actually. A nice bedroom scent. I've never actually tried this brand, but they do have so many other different like scents and stuff. So they have lavender, etc. And then I've got 2 more items left. This one is for Lila. I got you this. Yeah, I got her a unicorn cereal. I saw this on Cherryz a few months back and she said that she wanted it, so I thought, okay, why not? I actually saw this in, I think this was in Co-op actually, and it was expensive, but this was like £2 and in Co-op it was like maybe 3, not too sure. But I got this. I thought it was really cute, you know, for like younger kids. Lila's nearly 3. These sorts of things appease her. She loves these sorts of things, so I thought, yeah, why not? And then last but not least, again, this is for Lila as well. I just got her a pack of 6 Ribenas. She loves Ribenas, but it has paper straw. Do you know what? I know it's really bad and I know it's better for the environment. Paper straws are so hard to drink out of, like they just go all funny. 6 of those, and I think these were only like £1 as well, so yeah, definitely recommend. Really affordable. Yeah, that's it, that's everything. So if you did like this video, don't forget to subscribe, hit the thumbs up, smash that bell. Don't forget I do have a 20% discount code, so if you are interested in buying from Cherryz, you like some of the items I got, or you're just interested to find out what other stuff, I do have a 20%. I'll leave that up on the screen. I think it is Shannon Pace 20. If I'm wrong, the correct code will be on the screen. Again, thank you so much Cherryz for gifting me these items. You are an absolute gem. I am obsessed with everything. I'm obsessed with your brand in general anyways. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye guys.